Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 2 in the 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And boy, have we got an amazing prize for you today. But before I get to this, where do snowmen keep all their money throughout the winter? Well, in snowbanks, of course. On the second day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new Monster Bluetooth speaker. That's right, it's a portable Bluetooth weatherproof speaker. You can take this with you pretty much anywhere, play some really nice tunes when you're flying your drone or if you're at the beach or you're just on vacation. It's an incredibly cool prize. And the contest could not be simpler. Like I say every time, if you check the description below, there's a link. If you hit that link, it'll bring up a Drone Valley form that you can fill out. All we need is your email and your username on YouTube. That gives us 2 ways to get a hold of you. After 7 days, we'll pull a winner. We'll send that winner an email saying, hey, good news, you won the Monster Bluetooth speaker. Send us your address. I put this in a box. I ship it to you. No strings attached, no shenanigans, and I don't care where in the world you live. We say this every time. This contest is open to everybody, so send in those entries. Maybe you'll win the Bluetooth speaker. Maybe you'll win one of the other prizes that are coming up because we're only at day 2, and I'll be honest with you, I'm pretty exhausted already, and I have 10 more days to do, so I'll get plenty of sleep tonight, and we'll have some fun on day 3. But this is the prize for day 2, and again, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and watching the videos, especially commenting and asking all those really difficult questions, because the Drone Valley community is a really positive, smart, nerdy community that I really enjoy interacting with, and it's been a pleasure for me to host this channel for well over 10 years at this point, and I'm not quitting anytime soon. So anyway, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and until tomorrow, happy flying.